Hi everyone, this is Dr. B and I will be your facilitator for the Intro to Psychology course that you're enrolled in, and I just wanted to go over a little bit of information here to try to make it a little bit easier for those of you that are new to the online environment here at AIOP. The way you'll start is to read these announcements, and to open them you just click on this plus sign here, and I want you to read each one of them so that you can familiarize yourself with some of this important information. And then when I refer to the left-hand navigation panel, that's this area over on the left-hand side, and this is where the whole course operates from. Everything is just right in this little window right here. So you'll start off by reading all of this information here, and then after you've done so, you'll click on this Please Read and Respond button, and that will open up a window. And then I'm asking you to let me know that you've read all this information and to post a little note in this area here. I show you how to post here, and what it says is to please use the Respond tab above, which is this one, to post your message, and the Respond tab within a message, this one, to respond to that particular message. So whenever you're submitting an assignment, you use the one that's right below the instructions, and when you want to respond to a classmate or to me after you've read a message, you would use the one that's right in that message itself. Okay? So to order your text, you just click on Digital Bookshelf and follow the instructions, and it just takes a matter of a few moments. You have to download some software onto your computer, and then you'll have access to the book. I want to show you how I want you to submit your assignments. I'm going to use Week 1 Assignment 2 Discussion Area as an example. And the first assignment is for your bio, and that really isn't appropriate as far as embedding the questions. But let's make believe you're going to take question 1, and this is the question here. What I want you to do is open up your Word file, and here it is. What I did is I copied those questions for question number 1, put them right in here, and then I also used question number 3 and I put them here. So what you would do is just answer the question in each section here, A, B, and C, and then answer these questions. Make sure there's 2 or 3 parts to the assignment here, so make sure that you answer each one of those, and you would put your answer in here. And then you would just select all, or however you want to do that, and copy and paste into your response. So I show you here and this is how I want you to do it each time. It makes it a lot easier for all of us. If you attach the file, then what you have is all of us have to open up all of these attachments, and that can take a pretty long period of time. So the best way to do it is just to embed the questions, answer them, then copy and paste them and put them right in here, and then make sure that you respond by including both questions in one post, as I've mentioned. That will make it a lot easier so that there aren't so many posts, especially if we have a full class. So if you have problems and that you are unsure of how to continue on in an assignment, there's a Problems and Solutions area in each week, and you would just post your concerns there, and either myself or a classmate will respond to you within 24 hours. And if you have particular questions for me, the best way to do it is to send me an email or to go to the Questions for the Professor area here and just click on that and just leave me a message, and I'll get back to you as quickly as I can. And then also, you have a quiz each week. You'll notice Week 1, Quiz 1, you have 55 minutes. You have to complete this by day 7. I suggest you wait until the end of the week after you've read the material and after we've covered through all the discussion area. And then take the quiz, do the best you can, and then just move on to the next week. We don't accept any late assignments, and I suggest you try to get into the flow the best you can the first week. And if you're having any difficulties or concerns, just give me a holler. Send me an email or drop a note in Problems and Solutions or the Questions for the Professor area. I look forward to learning a lot more about all of you and covering a lot of the issues in this Intro to Psychology course. And I want to welcome you and wish you a Happy New Year to 2011. Nice to have you here.